Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 18. Using a vending machine.
Can you help me figure out how to use this machine?
Yes, I would be happy to help. What do you want to buy?
I want to buy that candy.
Okay, so this machine will make change if you need it. Do you have your dollars ready?
Yeah, so far, so good.
Next, you feed your dollars into the machine in the slot. Make sure they are smooth.
Yeah, I already knew that.
I'm sure you know that if the dollar gets stuck, you might have to refeed it.
Okay, let's move on.
Now you just make your selection and pray. If nothing comes out, try again or call the number on the side of the machine.
I hope it works.
Well, good luck.
I've never seen a machine like this before and need some help.
Sure, no problem. What are you trying to get?
I want to buy a drink.
Okay, this machine needs you to use the change machine first to get correct change.
I've got the correct change already.
First, you put your money in the dollar slot or the coin slot. The dollars have to be smooth.
Okay, what next?
Just know that sometimes the money doesn't go in perfectly the first time and you have to try again.
Okay, next?
Choose what you want and push the button. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries.
I agree with you.
Hope that works for you.
I want to know how to buy something from this machine.
Yeah, the new ones can be tricky. What are you trying to buy?
I want to buy one of those snack things.
Are you ready to go?
I'm clear so far.
The money goes in the slot over there. It has to be smooth to go in.
It won't go in.
Just remember that you might have to feed the money in a couple of times to get it to work.
Yes, next step.
Make your selection and hope for the best. Vending machines aren't all that reliable.
They're totally unreliable.
You seem to have it down. Have a good day.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.